Hi guys, welcome to my video today. Thanks so much for joining me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Molly and I do weekly meal prepping. So this is going to be my lunch meal prep for the week. If you are new, please click subscribe and click the bell button right next to subscribe. It'll give you a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of healthy meal prepping, lots of breakfast, lunch ideas, some snacks. Everything is quick and easy. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new. So this week for lunch, I'm going to make some chicken thighs. You guys know everything chicken related is just getting crazy expensive. Eggs, chicken breasts. So chicken thighs are a little bit cheaper than chicken breasts and they're still delicious. And we just love chicken in my family. So we eat lots of chicken, but chicken thighs are really great. Also a little bit cheaper, like I said, than chicken breasts. So we're gonna have some chicken thighs this week for my lunch meal prep. And it's gonna be a honey garlic little marinade on the chicken thighs. And I'm going to bake them in the oven. So these are gonna be a honey garlic baked chicken thigh. And then I'm going to do a side of broccoli. So I'm going to mix up the sauce marinade. I'm gonna marinate the chicken for about 20 to 30 minutes and then I will put it in the oven, get it cooking. So I will show you how I'm gonna get this whole lunch meal prep ready to go.
All right, so I have 4 tablespoons of honey. So I'm just going to get all that out of the bowl and onto the chicken. This will make it nice and kind of sticky and let everything else stick to it. I have a 1/4 cup of butter. I have a 1/4 cup of liquid aminos. You can use regular soy sauce if you'd like. And I have some minced garlic, about a teaspoon of minced garlic. You can mince your own, about 2 cloves would do the trick. I have some dried thyme and some dried basil, about a teaspoon of both. And so I am just going to mix all of this around with the chicken thighs and make sure they are all coated with all of the ingredients. And then I'm gonna let this marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just let it sit in the sauce and then it'll be ready to go on the sheet pan. I have my baking mat that I love. It just makes cleanup so much easier. I use it for everything. I'll put a link to it in the description box if you want to check it out. Just got it on Amazon. But it's awesome. I love it. So I have my chicken thighs and they've been marinating for about 30 minutes. So I am just going to line them on my baking sheet, and then these are going to cook in the oven for about 30 minutes and then they'll be ready to go. This is such an easy recipe, and sheet pan recipes are so easy. You could just put in the oven. You don't have to worry about checking it all the time. So these are awesome.
All right, so my baked chicken thighs are all done out of the oven. I just had this steamable broccoli in a bag. It's so easy. So it really makes it really hard to have an excuse not to have a lot of vegetables. So this bag is awesome. You could just steam broccoli on the stove, but this one you just pop it in the microwave and it's awesome, you guys. So I'm gonna portion everything into my meal prep containers. You guys know I love these containers. They are so wonderful. I got them on Amazon. If you need some new meal prep containers, these ones are really great. So I will put a link to these in the description box. Really great quality, and I use them for everything. So check out that link if you need some new containers. And so one thing I really love about meal prepping is that you get to portion out all of your food. So if you're looking to do smaller portions per meal, or my husband's actually trying to gain some weight right now, which is kind of weird to me. I think women are always trying to lose weight or maintain weight, but he's trying to gain a little bit of weight. So I'm gonna start making some meal preps for him so that he can have some more filling meals, a little bit extra calories. With this one, super high protein with the chicken thighs, and low carb with just the chicken thighs and broccoli. You can add a little side of rice as well, would be really great with this dish, but I'm keeping it low carb this week. So I'm gonna portion everything into my meal prep containers, and then it will be ready to go for lunch for each day this week. So lunch is all portioned out. It is so healthy, you guys, and this chicken has so much awesome flavor with the honey and the liquid aminos. So good and really healthy and totally easy to make. You guys know that all my recipes are super simple, nice and healthy, and perfect for a nice lunch in the middle of the day. Don't have to worry about what we're having for lunch this week. So this is delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you are new to my channel, click subscribe so you get a and the bell button next to subscribe so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of healthy recipes. I'm trying to get super healthy this year, so lots of recipes coming out, and I hope you guys enjoy them. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my other recipes for breakfast, for lunch, have some dinner recipes and some kid-friendly recipes as well, so check those out. I hope that you have a really great day, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.